in campus world master. I am Krupa. I am Madhusudhan. I am Mohammed and I am Muhammad Khaja. We all are from class 6 Bhadra group. Today's word is trample. Anybody know the meaning of trample? Okay, the meaning of the trample is walk on something or somebody. Everyone repeat after me. The spell of the word is Delhi. Trample. The meaning of the word is walk on something or somebody. The action of the word is Ayan is trampling on leaves. Thank you. Have a